Sa Trina, subong nga adlaw, yari kamo diri sa akon atubangan sa pagpalig-on sa inyo pagigugmaanay, paagi sa sagrado kag permanente nga pag-isa sang lalaki kag babayi. Ako kag ang bilog nga komunidad nagapangamuyo kag nagabiabi sa inyo pagigugmaanay kag pagupdanay mapuno sang kalipay, pagidait, kabulahanan kag kaligunan.
Dear Baba, we always talk on how life surprises us in the most unexpected ways. 3 years ago, kung may nakambal sa akong guro nga ikaw mapaman ako, hindi ko magpate. But we know that God has a better plan for us. Your presence always reminds me on how good the Lord is. Not only I found a partner in you, but most importantly, I found someone I can worship the Lord with. Thank you for being a beautiful, unexpected gift in my life.
Whatever we face, in the light and the shade, in the hope and the pain, let love lead the way. And God only knows what tomorrow will hold. Our souls will never grow old if we let love lead the way.
From that very first chat, bugtaw ka pa. I knew something special is happening. And simply tanga kamustahanay, nagdevelop sa isa kamadalong nga pag-intsindihanay. Ka-inspected gid sang love story ta. Sang una, ginatulok-tulok ko lang sang high school. Subong asawa ko na.
With God as our guide, watch our worlds come alive. The future looks good. You are the one that I choose. Whatever we face, in the light and the shade, in the hope and the pain, let love lead the way. And God only knows what tomorrow will hold. Our souls will never grow old if we let love lead the way.
God has brought us together. I promise to love, support, and honor you every day of our lives together. We build a home rooted in love and respect. I commit guiding our children in their faith while growing alongside you in ours.
Whatever we face, in the light and the shade.
I vow to love and cherish you. I commit to being a loving partner, a supportive parent to our children, Toy Toy and Gigi, and to love them as my own. I will be your forever passenger princess, not just in the car, but also in life. No matter how bumpy the road gets, I'll always sit by your side as you drive through life. Love you.
Love lead the way.
mayor sa siyudad sa Silay, nagapamatuod sa higot sa inyo kasal. Now, I pronounce you husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Jeremy and Carissa Trina Gallego. Congratulations!